So the other day I was talking to a client and the person came up to me and asked for help because they had gone through all of the visa application procedures. They had all the paperwork done and they were having cold feet. They were second guessing themselves. And this is really, really common. Makes me super sad. I'm an expat coach and intercultural psychologist. I've lived in 6 different countries over more than 40 years, and I've seen this a lot. Now, the way to prevent this is to work on the foundations of your move before you even start visa application processes. And what is the foundation of the move? Well, it's actually asking yourself beyond your because or why list. Why you're going to move, why you want to move is really important. But actually, the purpose of the move, what you're moving for, what you want to accomplish, how you want to live, how you want to feel, who do you want to be in this new place? That is equally, if not more important than the reasons why. So this is something that if you are in the beginning of your moving process, really think about not only why you want to move, but also what are you moving for?